Hey there! I've been thinking about how we can introduce Tunisian cuisine to a younger audience. I believe creating videos showcasing traditional Tunisian dishes and recipes could be a fantastic idea. What do you think?
Absolutely, I'm on board with that idea. Tunisian food is so rich in flavor and culture. Videos would not only engage kids who love cooking, but also help them explore diverse cuisines. Let's dive into the details.
Great! I think we should start with an introduction to Tunisian cuisine. We can explain its North African roots and the influence of Mediterranean ingredients. This will set the stage for the kids to understand the uniqueness of the dishes.
Definitely, context is key. We can then move on to iconic dishes like couscous. We can show the different types of couscous, the traditional steaming method, and how it's served with various stews. It's not just a dish but a cultural experience.
Right, and we can break down the steps in an engaging way that's easy for kids to follow. We might even include some fun facts, like how couscous is often a centerpiece during celebrations and family gatherings.
Absolutely. Now, how about brick? It's like a Tunisian version of a stuffed pastry. We can demonstrate how to create the thin dough, fill it with ingredients like tuna, egg, capers, and parsley, and then fold it into that unique triangular shape.
Sounds delicious. And we can't forget the symbolic aspect of brick. It's often prepared during Ramadan. This could be a great opportunity to teach kids about cultural and religious practices too.
Agreed. And to add some extra flair, how about making a batch of harissa? We can show them how to grind the spices, blend the peppers, and create that fiery yet flavorful paste. It's a chance to introduce them to different spice levels.
Love it. And since it's likely to be spicy, we could also discuss how Tunisians often enjoy a little heat in their dishes and how different cultures have varying preferences for spiciness.
Definitely an educational angle. Let's not forget about presentation. We could talk about the importance of colors and arrangement in Tunisian dishes. It's like edible art that tells a story.
Absolutely, that ties into the cultural aspect too. And hey, what about involving kids in the video making process? Maybe they can suggest their own twists on the traditional recipes or even share their own experiences with Tunisian cuisine.
That's a brilliant idea. It empowers them to get creative and fosters a sense of connection with the cuisine. Plus, it makes the whole experience interactive and engaging.
I'm glad you like it. Now, where should we host these videos? YouTube seems like an obvious choice, but we could also explore platforms specifically designed for teaching kids to cook.
True, we should do some research on kid-friendly platforms. And we can also create a website or blog with written recipes, additional information about Tunisian culture, and maybe even a quiz or games related to what they've learned.
That's a comprehensive approach. We're not just teaching recipes, but providing a holistic learning experience. I'm excited about this project and the impact it could have on young minds.
Me too. Let's get started on planning out the first few videos. With our combined passion for Tunisian cuisine and educating kids, I'm sure we can create something truly special.
Absolutely, it's going to be a rewarding journey. Can't wait to see the smiles on those budding chefs' faces as they discover the wonders of Tunisian cooking.
Absolutely, it's going to be a rewarding journey. Can't wait to see the smiles on those budding chefs' faces as they discover the wonders of Tunisian cooking.